Hi everyone, this is Heather Lottinen from the Flourish Academy. This is episode 489, and this video will serve two purposes. The first is I'm going to tell you about the Lightroom presets that we are giving away for free, and also I am going to answer some questions regarding the Flourish Academy membership. So we have 7 packs of presets on the Flourish Academy website, and everyone loves Susie's favorite. That has been the best seller for quite some time, but we have black and white presets, we have autumn presets, we have spring presets, presets for your presets. Anyway, 7 packs of presets worth $167 that we are giving away for free to anyone who signs up for the FA membership. And enrollment is only open for a few more days. Now, I am no math genius, but $167 for all of the presets sounds more expensive to me than $29 per month for the membership. And here's the thing about the membership. If you jump in at $29 and you get all of these presets for free and you start watching some classes and you find that it is not for you, there are no questions asked. You can cancel your membership. It is not a big deal. I want you to love it. So you can kind of kick the tires a little bit and see what you think for only $29. So I would encourage you to check it out because I know you're going to love it. I mean, some of the feedback I'm getting is amazing. I got a message today saying that this membership has changed her life, photography. Another person said she didn't realize how much she needed all this positivity in her life because we have a group of people that is very encouraging and uplifting. So I want to talk to you about the questions I'm receiving most often in regards to the membership. So I have a sheet here, I wrote them down. The first thing is people ask, what all is included with the membership? Well, you have access to our 12 courses on the Academy site. We have a workflow course. We have the exposure triangle course, which is a great place to start or refresh your memory on the exposure triangle. We have a complete Lightroom workshop and Photoshop workshop. We have senior posing. If you're interested in seniors, Susie teaches that. It's phenomenal. We have family posing. That's led by Julie Colbego. We have a pricing for profitability. I teach that one because I love it. Art and Science of Pricing, my favorite. We have a website for photographers course. Leanne Marie teaches that one along with her SEO for photographers, so you can get found. We also have a goal setting and time management course because I'm really into that type of thing and I want you to feel like you own time. And then we have 2 courses that are coming soon. One is Photographing Pets with Nicole Begley and the other one is Newborn Posing with Ann Wilmus. So that's 12 courses. Now, if you're thinking to yourself, that's a lot and I don't have time to watch all of those. Well, of course you don't. That's why you just pick and choose what you need. I actually have created something I'm calling the success map. It's like a planning worksheet. When you join the membership, you just look around on this worksheet for the questions you have and it directs you to the course that you need. So it's not that you're sitting there watching all of these courses, but I know a lot of photographers have been loving the Lightroom workshop. And then if you're thinking, I don't have time to learn it, I don't have time, but I need to, but I'm not sure. All of my videos are 5 minutes or less and they are incredibly direct. So you can watch them while you're cooking dinner, on your phone, on your iPad, on your computer, and just pick up a quick tip and then implement it into your workflow. So it doesn't take a lot of time. You can certainly watch whatever works for you. So those are all of the courses, that are available on the Academy site. Then in addition to that, we have a private Facebook group that is just killing it. In that private Facebook group, we have coaching calls every month, group coaching calls. So we do that via Zoom where you can get your questions answered and the support that you need. And a couple of my friends and I were talking, people in the membership, outside of the membership, and we were saying that we think these coaching calls are far more valuable than even one-on-one mentoring because you can hear questions that other people have. Therefore, you can get answers to questions you didn't even realize you didn't know, which is phenomenal. So those coaching calls have been really popular. We also have live photo critiques. So members can submit, not everybody is required to submit, of course, but they can submit their photos. We critique those photos live. When I say we, there are 3 of us. There are 3 coaches inside of that group. It's myself, Susie Harrison, and Ann Wilmus. We're there to answer questions and help people get moving. And then, of course, we have our monthly challenges. So our monthly challenges vary. Sometimes they are composition challenges. Sometimes they are technical challenges. It just depends on where we're at. So that's everything that's included in the Facebook membership group, along with support. People are so helpful in that group. It has been incredible. Okay, so you have all the courses and you have the membership group. The next question was, can a hobbyist join? I'm just a hobbyist. Okay, you're not just anything. And yes, anyone can join. We have a ton of hobbyists in the group. They just love photography. They just want to learn. They just want to improve, and they just want to grow. And a lot of them are saying they are surprised by how quickly they are growing because of the momentum they are gaining from being in a group that they actually pay to be in. Because the transformation is in the transaction. If you don't pay for something, you don't value it. But once you're in, you're like, oh, I'm paying some. You know what? I just thought of this. I have the perfect example. I discovered Pilates about a week ago. I have never done Pilates. I didn't even know what it was, but I saw this woman on YouTube and I was like, oh, I think maybe I could do that. So I did a couple of her exercises and I liked them. They were like super short and they were like, they worked for me. And then last night I was on her website because she has really good videos. And I was like, oh, look, she has a membership. I bought it. And you know what? I'm going to be doing Pilates every single day because I purchased it. And you better believe I'm going to get my money out of it. So it's the same thing with this membership. You think you don't have time, but you want to improve your photography, but you get in, you start paying for it. And you're like, oh, well, I'm going to participate because I'm paying for it, and you're going to learn. So those that are hobbyists in the group are experiencing a ton of growth, and they are loving it. So the next question, which is very similar, someone asked, do I need to have a business? Absolutely not. There are some people that are joining the group that are aspiring professionals. But again, there are a lot of hobbyists who are just following their passion. They're just doing what they love. We also have full-time professionals in the group as well who want to improve their photography. And what's funny about that is I have one friend in particular who's been a professional for several years. She decided to go through the Lightroom course, and I actually have her testimonial on the page. I'm going to post it. I'm going to post a link to it. Her testimonial is like, I didn't realize what I didn't know, and I went through the videos and I've learned so much more. So she's been able to just like tighten things up, lock it down, get more efficient, and have access to more tools that she didn't know existed. I thought that was pretty great. Okay, somebody else said, why a membership? What happened to the courses? So obviously all of these courses that we had, these 12 courses, they were listed separately for a fee. So they were anywhere from, there were a couple courses that were $99, some were $150. All of these courses, first of all, people would ask me, what course should I take? And I'm like, I don't know. I think you need them all. I mean, really, you need Lightroom, Photoshop, you need the exposure triangle, you might need pricing. And when I total that all up now with the 2 new courses, it's over $2,000 worth of content. Well, most photographers, at least I don't think I would be willing to put down $2,000 like initially up front to have access to all of these courses when I don't even know if I'm going to like them or if they're going to work for me. And so I thought, it's just not working. It's not working for me and it's not working for you. So I decided to switch it to a membership enrollment at a much significantly lower fee. So it's $29 to have access to everything per month. And if it's not for you, you can cancel at any time. So you really don't have anything to lose. We also have a 7-day money back guarantee. So if you really hate it, and you won't, then you could get your money back, no questions asked. But if you try it out for a month and you love it, then you stay. And if you don't, then you move on. And it's all cool. You can just pick up what you need when you need it. But right now we're giving away the presets for free. Those are worth $167. The membership is $29. I mean, right? Okay, if you have any additional questions, I'd love to answer them for you. As of this video, enrollment is open for 3 more days. So it's open through July 1st. I will probably not be opening enrollment again until sometime later this fall. And a friend of mine asked me why I do that. And that's so I can focus on the members, creating the content they need to improve. Because here's what happens. I have all of these ideas and I just want to implement them. I have about 1.2 million ideas at any given moment, approximately. And the other day, for instance, we're talking in the group and I was like, you know what? I need to put together an off-camera flash mini course. Getting started with off-camera flash. So that's on my agenda to do. Once enrollment is closed, everybody's in, I'm going to start working on putting that together. I don't have it listed as coming soon because I don't have the outline for it yet, but it is coming soon. So I'm going to put together that mini course on off-camera flash. In order for me to focus on producing the content, I have to close down enrollment. So enrollment will be closed on July 1st and then it will open again I don't know, whenever later this fall. It just depends on how that plays out. So I don't want you to miss this opportunity. I'm going to post a link below. If you have any questions, let me know. Or if you're following me on Instagram or Facebook, I'm posting testimonials from the members every single day because they are loving it. I am not paying them to post all of that good press for the Flourish Academy. They are doing that out of the kindness of their own hearts and because they're really getting a lot out of the membership. I hope that you found this useful or it answered your question, and I'll see you in the next video.